Yo, what's up, guys? MCJ Rock here. And, me and my dad went to Frankies. You see this? Look at it. Oh my god. Oh god. I'm eating these fries from, Frankies. They're really good. And, hold on a minute, I just gotta wear my hat first. The guys look good on this hat. And now my hair looks crazy because thinking about getting a haircut. I'm gonna fix my hair. So I got Park Pizza. See it? I'm almost there. You know the rest because you guys press so much likes. I'm gonna eat more pizza. Anyways, I gotta go to Fulton Park. Wait, no, not Fulton Park. I mean Corner Store. See you later.